Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and I'm here to tell you about something important in my channel that is called as membership. What is membership all about in my channel? Is every week I upload videos in my channel. It is easy to watch, but what about if you want to interact with me live, right? If there is some issue and if you want some mentor or you want to interact with me live for some reason, maybe some issue you are facing in a project and you want to make me live so that you can discuss about your issues. And if you want to have a 1 hour of my time with you to resolve some issue or to get some training requirements, then also I am available for you. So this membership is specifically for those paid members who can directly contact me, and that's all. They can resolve the issues and they can interact live with me. If you need any guide about the career in Dynamics 365 and what is the new features, is there is any scope for my career, because this membership is very specifically for freshers who needs mentoring, right? Because they don't know how to choose a career that will give a proper job now. And also this, I have already enabled a high level membership where consultants who are already employees in multiple MNCs like Deloitte or Infosys, TCS, any company, they can also approach me for a live session so that they can interact with their projects if they face an issue or like that. So this way we can interact live with each other. You can also be aware of my personal circles, then we can interact with each other. So that will be very helpful, and the most beautiful part is you can cancel at any time without any loss. So thank you for the watching this video, and please be a member of this channel. Thank you.